Okay. So then we're going to multiply by x minus 2y plus 3. Last time, they were in kind of an order, and these are somewhat in order. I have an x first, a y next, and then a numbers last. And so that's going to help when to help us find our like terms. All right, we're going to have lots to do, and they're going to show you two methods. One's a horizontal method and one's the vertical method.
I remember liking the horizontal.
You do like, okay. And so the caution I have for you is this is going to be, it's a 3 by 3 times 3, there's going to be 9 terms out here, okay? So be cautious not to write too large so that it starts to word wrap around on your paper. Sometimes what I even do is turn my paper sideways, the long way, but just be real cautious not to write too big. And try to keep it all on one line and not have to word wrap around. All right, let's change my colors again. I'm going to go 2x times x is going to be...
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
2x squared.
Good job. And that x times should be 2x times negative 2y.
Plus 6y squared. Right?
Let me do it one more time. This is it's the 2x that we're doing.
Oh, I'm sorry.
2x times the negative 2y.
Okay, that's going to be xy.
And then 2 times 2 is 4.
Oh,
We'll
right,
have a
right.
negative, so
Negative
2xy. And at this point, I'm going to stop. If you would have written 2yx, negative 2yx, it would have been the same answer. But try to put them in. I always try to put them in alphabetical order. The x comes first on y, always.
Yeah.
Then when you find your like terms, they look similar to each other. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to go that 2x times the 3.
6x.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to change colors. No, I already have that one. Here we go. So we're going to go the negative 3y and the negative.
Wait, to the x.
Nope. Yep. To the negative and the positive x.
So negative 3xy.
Very good, very good. That way we'll know they're like terms when we get there. Okay, good job. So now I'm going to go negative 3y and negative 2y.
So plus 6y.
Careful. There's a y on both of them, so it's y.
Squared.
Very good. All right. Oh, I did what I said I didn't want to do. I'm running out of room, if you notice, but I can squeeze things in a minute here. Okay, so then I'm going to do this one here. I'm going to go...
Okay. So, negative 9y.
Yes. And I have a really cool way to shrink this down. We'll just see if I can fit it in. That is not possible on your paper. So. Okay. And notice how my rainbows, I call these rainbows in here. They're getting really cluttered. So just be cautious of that too. Okay. All right. We're going to go that negative 7.
Negative 7x.
Yes.
And then 14y.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Good. And then right here.
Negative 21.
Very good. Okay, now, like terms.
Oh, these
Is there
are
an
long.
x? Is there any x squareds?
I'm sure there are somewhere. No, there's not.
Okay. Are there any x, y's?
Right there.
Right, there any others?
No.
Okay, so then we're going to have negative 2 xy and negative 3 xy.
And we're adding now, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Negative 1 xy.
Where both of them are negative.
Oh, so we're adding them negative 5
Yes.
xy.
Okay, do we have any just x's?
Yeah, that one right there.
Right there. We have positive 6 and negative 7.
Now it's negative 1
Yes.
x.
Or just a negative x, that would work too. Okay, do we have any y squareds?
Yes. Right here.
That's just a y.
Oh, there's a square on it. No, we don't.
Okay, so then plus 6y squared. Do we have any y's?
Yeah, the 14.
So we have negative 9 and positive 14.
Oh, hold on, my mind just went blank. 5 negative, no, positive 5y.
Yes.
Then
and
minus
then
21.
Minus 21. Long, long, long. There are 9 terms there. That's why be careful, be cautious. So many places to make a mistake. I remember doing a big, huge physics problem where I had all this stuff and I had to actually didn't have enough room on my paper. I had to go on a chalkboard, that tells you how long ago it was, on the board at college to make sure I did this right.
Oh my word.
Yes. All right, and they did the vertical format, which doesn't take as much width on your paper. It actually goes more down than it does across, and so that won't take as much length on your paper.
But I'd rather do length than the vertical way
like that
because then I have to use extra sheets of paper
Oh.
because then like it takes up more spaces that I could write my numbers.
Right. That's it.
Oh,
We're done.
good.
So it's just an extension of the distributive property, this is multiplying polynomials. And so you're just going to have more and more and more of them. Just be really slow. Don't rush this.
Okay.
Because there's lots of little teeny details that you might miss, okay?